All right, guys, today's quick tip is a 3D modeling tool called Imprint. You can use this to create tooling or soft jaws, super fast and easy to use. So let's get started. We're going to find this under Create 3D. You'll see it under the Extrude section where it says Imprint. Imprint extrudes a curve and subtracts it from the solid, again allowing us to create soft jaws very quickly and easily. We'll click on Imprint here. You're going to need two pieces of geometry, some profile chains that represent your extruded profiles, and then the solid that you want to create the tooling based off of. We'll select our two chains here by shift-clicking our profiles. We'll go ahead and select our solid, and then from here we can adjust either by entering the depth or by just pulling up or down how deep we want to go. Once we get our depth set, we'll choose OK, and it's really just that easy. We've created an imprint of our model here. What I can do is hide the cell phone case, and you can see how we have two jaws that we can use to hold the part for our second operation.